Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuning report for Clay in South Carolina on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Clay, got it ready to go for you, bud. Truckerized package, tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, cap upgrade, wideband transmit receive, clarifier mod, also the ERF 2030 plus MOSFET. Sorry, it's been a long day. Now let's go ahead and get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. 25 watts all the way down. Hello, 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 hello. Turn the mic gain up. Hello, 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 hello. 600 watts. RF power all the way up. Just a hair under 125. Hello, hello, hello. 215 bird. Hello, 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 hello. There's that 600 watts again. Sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Audio. 400 watts all the way down. Sorry about that, had a phone call, cut me off. RF power all the way up on sideband. Hello, 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 hello. Just shy of 600. Alright, then we can get it out to you, but I appreciate it. Get your static 636 mics packed up as well, rolling. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.